Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make peek in animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here mini slide. You can add the animation into any object, text box or more than object. Select the chart. Now go to the animation menu. Select the drop down menu and go to more interference effect. Then we can see here the peek in. Then click OK. You can change the effect. You can change the effect from left, otherwise right, or change top, etc. Now I am select the left. You can change the duration of the animation or increase this, decrease this. Now you can again check the preview. Select the preview option. Now we can see we insert or apply the peek in animation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.